a little bit of a vlog, and I'm really excited. I finally gave in to getting a Coach bag, and it's the Coach Tabby 26. I was going to get the wristlet because I thought the wristlet was probably going to be more useful. What do you think? Yeah. But whenever I saw the reviews on YouTube, the wristlet didn't even hold a Pro Max iPhone, which is what we have. So I'll do a little bit of vlogging today, go to work, and hopefully the bag should arrive. I got on an Amazon and I was able to do 5 monthly payments. So that was like really cool. So should arrive between 5 and 10 p.m. tonight.
Sunrise 4 a.m. You see, get in the car, we can run away. I hardly even knew you, but I knew that I can lose you. It'll be a good day. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I upload a lot of different things about our lives, and most of all, I love bags. And if I get a really cute one or something interesting or useful, I usually like to post about it. So hit the subscribe button if you're into that stuff. So anyway, I was looking up the Coach 20 as well, because I know that the reviews say that the 26 is kind of heavy. And remember, the Chanel Jumbo really hurt my neck and my back. So hopefully this will be the bag that I can use a lot. And I chose the white color. It's called Chalk, so I'm super excited. We should just have a really good day at work, and I hope everyone's doing well, and we'll get on with our day. I just dropped Boomer off at daycare. They're doing a lot of major repairs, actually just improvements. They're not repairs. They're doing improvements to our bridge. There's one bridge going in and out of Jefferson City, and so they want to make one lane, I think, straight to Columbia, where I teach hot yoga, which would be kind of cool, loosen up the traffic. So if we get closer up here, I mean, they started this about a month ago with lots of traffic, lots of construction, but our city's managing. A lot of state workers, I heard, are allowed, we have a lot of state employees, are allowed to come to work at different times just to kind of loosen up the bridge traffic, because a lot of people live across the bridge and they have to come into work at the same time. And the bridge at one point was down to one lane. I think it still is. So here we go. Here's the fun. But we're exiting, so we don't have to worry about the bridge. I still remember when I was in high school, and they just opened up the bridge, and Mom and Dad actually got to eat dinner on the bridge. It was like some kind of opening ceremony. It's the state capitol. So pretty. It's fashioned after the state capitol in Washington, D.C. There's more construction signs. There's where a lot of state employees work. It's the Truman Building. That's the Truman Hotel. There's the Capitol peeking out from the kind of low, is it all in vain? Then you hit me up and everything just turned again. It's so good. Eat every morning. It's cachava. It's 2 frozen half bananas, 2 half frozen bananas, 2 heaping scoops of cachava, chocolate flavored, PB2 powder, and ice cubes. Good morning. How are you? Amanda. Haven't seen you long. 1 or 2, maybe 3 years I've been feeling nothing at all, but then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like lighting up my space. You do like a candle in the dark. Getting warmer every time I'm with you. Hi. It's a nice day. Don't care what other people I have time in between patients to get voted. Vote. So finished voting. I had time to do it between patients, which is really good. And she was wearing a sticker, so it reminded me to vote today. So let's see. Going back to work, see the patients. So far, everything's going pretty good. Yeah, that smoothie's really, really good. And after that, I keep tracking the bag, keep tracking to see where it's at. It said it's been shipped, but it's not out for delivery, but it said it's between 7 p.m. and 12 p.m. So we'll see if it arrives today. If not, it'll just be tomorrow. Just finished teaching yoga, going home, and the bag was delivered. You can kind of see the picture that Amazon left on their notice. So excited. So we're gonna go home, do an unboxing. I'm gonna do Zumba with Mom, and then probably do the unboxing after that. So gonna go home, greet all the hoodlums. Hoodlum number 1, hoodlum number 2, cat number 1, and my husband. What a good day. It is beautiful outside. I know this doesn't look beautiful, but it's like really cool compared to the weather we've had. It's probably not more than, oh, I know what it is. It's 79 degrees and it's not sunny and it's a nice breeze in the air. So I'll see you when I get home. Hi, baby girl. It's a good girl. Hi, baby boy. Good girl. Hi, Jackie. Jack. Hi, Coco. Where are you? Coco. There's my baby girl. Oh, baby girl. Hi, sweetness. I love you. Good girl. We missed you all day long. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Couldn't find scissors, so I'm going to open like such. So with Amazon, I don't think it comes with the original Coach the box, but from what I've heard from the reviews, it does come with the original Coach wrapping. There it is. Come to mama. All right. So, got Coach. I have not bought a Coach bag since probably med school. I mean, that was back in 1992. So exciting. I really hope I can use this bag for a long, long time. Number one, it's super expensive. Ooh, I like the color. Chloe, what do you think? Get it out of here. Ooh, I totally like this color. Look at the details. So I picked white because it's just black. I know I'm wearing black, but aesthetically, I usually go for brighter accessories. This is not as heavy as I was afraid it would be. Thank goodness. My favorite part's actually this brushed gold. It's not really bright. I like the toothing. I don't know how to open it. Let's savor this moment and undo the chains. Okay, so here goes the chain. Oh, so they do have leather interlaced between the metal parts. Like that. So I've always wanted a bag that looks like the Chanel Jumbo, but doesn't hurt like the Chanel Jumbo. My husband actually liked the Chanel Jumbo. It's just because he likes real leather, so he's gonna like this bag.
What do you think, Chloe? Chloe killed a cat last night because Chloe killed a mouse last night. I heard her running back and forth underneath the bed. And I knew she was going to get something. Like, she needs to be out in a barn killing mice. She'd be amazing at it. Okay. So long strap moves well. So they have a protective something back here. Protective something. Ooh. Oh, let me just tell you something. There's a magnet on this back pocket. Fabric lining. The leather is amazing. This is Napa. Now, I heard in the reviews that I have to be really careful that the corners don't get scuffed up, but I don't care because I'm going to be using this bag a long time. So I don't know how to open this. Oh, it's so cool. It opens so cool. So it just lifts. You don't have to like squeeze anything. It just lifts. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging Coach did. So it has a protective cover here that goes through the straps. And then it has this. And it has this really pretty paper. Goes through here, goes through here. And another paper. Oh, now this is cool. This snaps. This is very much like the Chanel double flat, but without the snap. It's just snap here so I can put stuff in here. These are all fabric lined in that really pretty taupe kind of beige color. I like the color of this patch. It's a leather patch, like the old-fashioned Coach bags used to have. That's leather. Oh, this is so beautiful. And it snaps really easy. I'm so glad I didn't get the Rebecca Minkoff Edie shoulder flat bag. If you look, the Rebecca Minkoff Edie, I liked it because aesthetically it was similar, but whenever I would try to undo it, I had to yank so hard because the snap was so strong. I was afraid I would tear the leather away from it eventually. They even wrapped the little leather tag. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. This is in the color chalk. They even protected this part right here. Wow. Long ways is this way. Short ways is this way. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm mostly going to be wearing it this way. I just like shoulder bags that are about that length on me. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this thing. They even have the diamond stitching on the bottom. Do you see that? Wow. This is gorgeous. This is oh, it smells really good. Think we should take it to Michigan? I think so. I'll use it for the airport and stuff. Okay. I will give you a review after I've used this. I want you to experience this. Look at that. What? Super easy. It's secure. Like super easy to close and to open. I could do that all night long. I think this has officially replaced. It is not heavy like the Chanel Jumbo. Not heavy at all. Absolutely love it. All right. She's definitely a keeper, and I'll do a review later. We'll go up to Michigan with her and just see how it goes. And I'll see you again in our next video. Again, please subscribe if you're into bags, if you're into just meeting a nice community of people. Just subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we've uploaded our next video. And thank you again for watching. I was just wondering why I didn't get a dust bag, but the dust bag was in this little pocket here. So ended up with a dust bag and a little bit of the, I think this is, what is this? Look after, so it's how to care for it. So really happy I got a dust bag, and this is so pretty. It says the Tabby bag, genuine Napa leather. I cannot wait to do a review on this. Is so pretty, so super excited. Getting my Zumba shoes on. I really feel like Sabina from Apple City and Lean from Yoshia Lux influenced me with Coach, because typically don't like Coach. I find them to be kind of boring and kind of not edgy enough, but this is a really neat bag. I'm so excited. Coach Tabby 26, because I think it's gonna like fulfill my desire to replace the Chanel Jumbo, because the Chanel Jumbo is just too heavy and not comfortable to carry. It's just not comfortable. It was nice because it's all leather, but just not comfortable. Originally, I wanted to get, one of my patients yesterday had the Coach Tabby backpack, and so cute. It was the black one with the gold hardware, but she let me try it on. It was just kind of heavy, so I was like, and then the straps like can dig in when you use it as a backpack. So I kept putting it in the shopping basket, taking out sugars, and then I was like, you know what, don't get it if you can't carry much. I thought, well, maybe the Tabby 20, but the 20 kind of seemed kind of short, kind of seemed a little weird looking. So then I went with the 26, got some reviews on some really good YouTube channels. Kona.
Hi, Kona.
You got something on your eyebrow? Booming.
You don't care what other people think of you or say, but you so cool. You just spoiling with your love. Got no doubt that you are lovely. Oh, you're so